here we are at the wonderful place at Banger PwC offices with my brother here, Shane Hamilton, and we have been spending today talking with a key range of stakeholders about this wonderful paper which draws together housing, health and wealth creation strategies for Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples. What's been the exciting part of this project for you, Shane?
I think
working with me is number one.
I think some of the principles that we've underpinned this project on, which is about self-determination, Indigenous-led, Indigenous historical, cultural values that we've embedded, as well as some key principles around Aboriginal housing. And also, I think one of the most important things in this project is about a strength-based approach rather than talking about the issues. We all know what they are. So this is about taking those aspects and actually coming up with a different way of thinking about Aboriginal housing and combining that with health and well-being of individuals and communities, and also looking at wealth creation through the use of housing. So. Yeah.
And what I think is going to be really interesting is an emerging group of Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people that are going to be interested in entrepreneurship and really thinking through business ideas in the Indigenous estate and how we can really unlock the potential of the land and seas and waters that we all call home and that have been settled by native title land claims and other kinds of arrangements that are coming into place. And I don't know if many Australians actually truly appreciate the fact that 40% of the land mass is now managed by Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples. It's the same kind of size as Argentina, who as a continent is able to generate about $700 billion worth of assets. Some of the pushback we think might come from this paper is the fact that we're talking about our ability to take our rightful place in the Australian nation and to contribute to our own nation's development as well as Australia and the world. And so I'm pretty excited by the kinds of things that we've discussed. It's certainly not a dry paper. I write from the heart, brother writes from the head. And so the combination, I think, is just really inspirational to those who read it and really get what it is that we're trying to drive through a housing agenda. Because there are things that people want to have, and it's usually love, comfort and a peaceful heart. And in terms of that, a good, safe, secure home is what's really important. We need to make sure that our peoples in this generation get a chance to own their own homes and to use that as a vehicle for health and well-being in the future.
So look out for our report in the next couple of weeks.